Hey, listen, I have an idea. Hey, cause today is your girl Mary Kay coming to you with us like today.
Hey.
Coming to you with us like today.
Let the church say subscribe.
What's going on, y'all? What's going on? I'm excited about this video because listen, I know a lot of people that work with this particular vendor, and I did a video for them a few weeks back, and it was like their fluffy Jerry curl, and it was a 360. And y'all, I was like, let me find out. I've been sleeping on this vendor. I'm doing another video for them today. It's OMG her hair. They sent me their, I think it's called Sassy Curl. Yes, their Sassy Curl, and it's on their 3D dome cap. Now, if you don't know the importance of 3D dome cap, let me tell you, when you have a head, see, I have a small domology. And if you are not certain what a domology is, this is the easiest way to find your wig size. This is a very simple way. You just take your measurement around the circumference of that dome and get your domology. Now mine is a 21, which is on the small side for wig sizes. 22, 22.5, that is average. So that'll give you a medium cap. When you get into the 23, 24 up, you are blessed and highly favored, baby. And don't let nobody tell you that you're not, but you're gonna have to get those larger size caps, okay? Hey. You need something that's gonna hug and pay attention to that forehead. You see, some caps forget all about the forehead. They just put it all up in one, but the forehead is a whole nother entity on its own. That is the purpose of the 3D dome cap. You see how domology, huh? Turn to your neighbor and say domology. This is the Sassy Curl on the 3D dome cap, and they do have the option to where you can put bangs with it. They can cut you some bangs, but it is a 9x6, so I should in theory be able to pull this off glueless HD lace wig. It's pre-cut, and this curl is so pretty. That's the curl right there, y'all. Let me show you. Come on. You see how pretty that curl is right there? She wearing that curl. It has lace from probably about right here to right here. 9 inches across, 6 inches going bike for a good old ignorant Moses part. 4 inches as far as part goes. That's small for me. I got to fool with the vendor, meaning the wig is I know the wig is going to be so nice that I can overlook that 4-inch little baby part, okay? 5 inches, now we talking. You give me a 6-inch part?
That means you care for me.
Now, this cap also has removable combs with Velcro. Oh, you just plop it on the Velcro if you want it on there, okay? It has the silicone grip elastic band. The silicone will hold on to the back of your neck like a good relationship. It has the C-shaped ear cutouts, so you don't have to worry about the cap crossing over your ear, people who wear glasses, all of the things. And it has an adjustable drawstring. So listen, you really should be able to do anything in this wig, okay? You should be able to now. They allow you to choose densities because everybody likes different. You can get 150% or 180%. They also allow you the option to choose layered bangs. Oh yeah, the cap is ventilated, little tiny holes in the cap. Oh, Chad, they got on here our real HD lace versus other fake HD lace. Our HD lace is ultra thin, only 0.11 millimeter. Real invisible. Theirs is 0.22. So theirs is more thin for the win, okay? They popping off on their website. As long as it look how it's supposed to have, that's all I'm saying, okay? Because I done read it. Y'all got it out there on the website, so let me get my thick twist on back, and then we just gonna, let's just see. Hey, listen, I have an idea. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead, hit it so you can join the family and join the fun. I'm talking to the friends of the family right now. You know, you hanging around, you at the amusement park trying to get in the family reunion, but you don't have your wristband on, huh? Get your wristband. You got to hit that subscribe button, and then you can get your wristband and your t-shirt. But as of right now, you a friend of the family, and we appreciate you, huh? But as Sister Lisa once prophesied, appreciate the kind that jingles, but we'd rather get the kind that falls. Y'all go ahead and hit that button if you want to become a channel member. You want to join the K team? You know what to do. Hit that join button. Let's see what we can do with this good old sassy curl dome cap. I got a feeling it's gonna be real cute. Oh. Hold a minute. Let's see. Hold a minute.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. laugh out loud since we ain't going away. So tonight. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let him catch me. No, I never let him claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's get this flick, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No